Alright, we've ordered a delivery here in Beijing, some food, and it says that it's arrived, and I think it might arrive on one of those like robot things, but we're not sure how it works. It just says order completed on our app. I don't know. It's actually there!
Is it actually?
It's actually
Wait,
there.
what do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my gosh! Hello?
Can you press open? Whoa.
That's incredible.
Close goods. Take goods.
Why does it have a baby voice?
Look at it go.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's so cool. Dinner time. I didn't actually expect it to be right there like that. I thought they would like knock or something.